Hi guys, this is our first video in our new classroom. We're going to be talking about mixed numbers and improper fractions. This should be a review from last year, but I want to make sure that you remember what you're doing and you kind of get a refresher before we start applying it to some of our new stuff. So we're going to talk about switching mixed numbers to improper fractions and then changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. So an improper fraction is anytime you have a larger numerator than your denominator. And then a mixed number is anytime you have a whole number and a fraction stuck together. Okay? So we're going to start with changing improper fractions to mixed numbers because I think that's a little bit easier. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is look at this line between your numerator and your denominator and think of it as a division sign. So it is another way to write a division problem. So instead of 17/5, we have 17 divided by 5. Okay? 17 divided by 5, I know that 5 goes into 17 3 whole times. And then there are 2 left over. Okay? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So 2 is my numerator, and then I'm going to have 5 as my denominator. I just keep the same denominator. So 17/5 is the same thing as 3 2/5. Easy peasy. Okay, so now we're going to look at 2 1/3, and we're going to change that from a mixed number to an improper fraction. So what you need to do is we have to do sort of a little circle loopy thing. So we're going to draw an arrow from the 2 to the denominator, and then from the 3 to the 1. Okay? See how you've kind of got a little circle thing going on? So what you're going to do is from your whole number to your denominator, you are going to multiply. I'm going to draw a little multiplication sign there just to help remind me. And then from my denominator to my numerator, I'm going to add. So I'm going to draw a addition sign there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my whole number, and I've got 2 times 3. That equals 6. And then I'm going to take that 6 and add 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So 7 is my new numerator. And then I'm going to keep my denominator the same. So 2 1/3 is the same thing as 7/3. Okay? We're going to practice this more in class tomorrow. So go ahead and fill out your form. Remember, your form is just a little bit different than it was last quarter. I've changed a few of the questions. And I will see you guys tomorrow.